Hey there, Texans. We're continuing on with living organisms. We're starting again here with cell theory. All right. So, cell theory, what is a theory? We've heard the word, but do we actually know what it is? All right. A theory, guys, when I go back and I look for a simple definition, a theory is a carefully thought out explanation for observations of the natural world that has been constructed using the scientific method and which brings together many facts and hypotheses. So you're thinking, okay, but what does that mean? So, guys, we're really looking at an idea gathered by data. So you're thinking, well, isn't that the hypothesis? Well, let's look at this. What is a theory versus a hypothesis? It says in scientific reasoning, a hypothesis is an assumption made before any research has been completed. Now, a theory, guys, on the other hand, is a principle set to explain phenomena already supported by data. So, a theory has been tested, and it's an idea that came about because of information gathered. A hypothesis is the what would happen if, and then they test it. All right, guys? So, that's the difference between a theory and a hypothesis. So, when we go back to what we're looking at, the cell theory, all right, this is before they had cells. So, today's assignment, you're going to kind of hear about how they came about with the idea of cells, all the way dating back to before the early microscopes. So you're going to start with slide number 2. You'll watch the video, the wacky history of cell theory. All right, you're going to go ahead and click play right here. And even here, the tip says press play and then click the full screen button on the bottom right hand corner. So you click play, and there's that full screen button right here to make it full. All right, so that's what you're going to click. And I'm going to close it to exit full screen. On slide number 3, you're going to read the following information and highlight the names of scientists in green, the discoveries in yellow, and the years of their discovery in blue. Now, if you don't remember how to highlight, remember you click on something here. And if you notice this magic bar pops up, look, let's do it again. It's gone. Click on the text, and here it is. You'll have capital letter B to bold, italics, this right here, highlight color. It says to highlight discoveries in yellow. So let's say all cells come from pre existing cells. Well, that would definitely be something that we highlight in yellow. And then you would go ahead and continue on with what you would, other information that's needed. Now, if you need me to read it to you, I'm right here. Just click on the megaphone. And remember, I will go ahead and read that to you. Let me undo this here. After that, this copy here is in Spanish. You don't need to worry about slide number 4. Slide number 5, we're moving on to that. This is where you're going to come in and type in the 3 components. So the cell theory is made of 3 ideas. All right, so you're going to write the first one here. You can use the pictures as a clue. The second one you're going to type here. So you just click and start typing in what you've got here. And then the third one you'll type here. Once you're done with that, um, you're actually going to write this on your copy if you have a paper copy and get that glued into your journals. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you again.